Hi, welcome to Papé Machinery Toolkit. My name is Jason Hughes and I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. And I've been so for about 2 years. Before that, I was in the Army for 20 years. I'm a large property owner and own a lot of this equipment myself. And I hope you learned something new about John Deere equipment today. Hey, today we're going to go over the 54-inch mower deck with an AutoConnect system on a 1025R. These are an industry exclusive for us. This is a real phenomenal product that makes it super easy to take on and off these mower decks. It allows your 1025R to become, in essence, a big mower for your property. These are a great feature. They are reinforced steel decks. They're very strong. They have a really nice drive over ramp on each side. You've got reinforced caster wheels on all four corners. So if you had to take it over some undulating terrain, those things will stop it from scalping on your grass. Right here is going to be the channel that actually we line up with our front left tire on our tractor. So when we drive over it, it gives us something to line up. It is run by a gearbox and an AutoConnect PTO that is running off of a reinforced belt drive system. You've got greasable zerts on all three spindles, so this is a 3-blade deck. This deck happens to be a 54-inch deck, but we also offer this in a 60-inch deck as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how easy it is to drive over onto this deck. So what we'll do in this particular case, my loader is on, so we're going to lift that loader up. We're going to align our deck with our front left tire as I just spoke of, and then we'll go ahead and put it in 4-wheel drive. So we've got our 4-wheel drive right here. We'll make sure it is in 4-wheel drive, put it in low gear, and literally just drive over that deck, lining everything up. And then we're going to have our dealer installed bracketry kind of line everything up with it, and you'll just see how easy it is. All right, so I set my park brake, I jump off real quick, and then I can adjust the height of my caster wheels depending on my terrain. For this purposes, I'm just gonna lift them all the way up and lock them into place. I do that on all four corners on the other side. As you'll notice, the bracketry underneath auto-connected, my deck is off the ground, and I can adjust my height of my deck with my left hand right next to my left side, and it can go all the way up to about 3 3/4 inches. It's a really nice feature. It's super easy to do. So that's how we put it on. So if I'm going to take that deck off, I'm just going to do the process in reverse. So what I'll do is I'll release those caster wheels, so it'll allow that deck to drop all the way down. All right. I'm going to still ensure that it's in 4-wheel drive. I'll jump up onto the tractor and we'll go ahead and lower that deck to the ground, and I'll show you the next step. All right, I'm gonna jump off the tractor. We're gonna go ahead and get under here and flip one bracket around so it allows it to, when I reverse the tractor, it'll just allow it to come off of that bracket. So I'll do that on that side. I'll go over and grab the other side real quick. Same function. I'll jump right back onto the tractor, fire it up, and drive over the deck backwards, and it should come right off. Well, I hope you guys saw that it's really easy to take on and off this drive over mower deck, an industry exclusive for John Deere. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.